So it says solve the inequality. So I have here, this is 2 times 4 plus 2x is greater or equal to 5x plus 5 here, right? So again, what we're gonna have to do first is what I would do is I would do distributive property first. I would distribute this 2 into here and this 2 into here, right? So 2 times 4 here equals 8. 2 times 2x here equals 4x. So I would get something like this. And then what I would do is I would do the same thing. I would collect like terms, right? So I see here that I have 4x here and 5x here. So I'm collecting like terms with the variables here, and I have a constant term and a constant term here. So if I want to move x's to the left side, so let's move 4x to the side. So I have 4x minus 5x. I'm subtracting 5x from both sides is greater or equal to, and then I have 5 here. I'm going to move the 8 to the other side, so it's a negative 8. So therefore, I have 4 minus 5 is simply just negative 1x, or negative x is greater or equal to 5 minus 8 here is negative 3. I can simply just divide both sides by negative 1, so these negatives cancel out. I get x here is greater or equal to positive 3, and this here is my solution for my inequality. So this here is correct. Again, what they did was they did distributive property as well. They have 8 plus 4x, which is good, is greater or equal to 5x plus 5. And what they did was they're creating like terms here, and what they're doing is, oh, actually, hold up. If I'm dividing by negative 1 here, it flips my sign. So I actually messed up here. So this is actually the trick that a lot of students, and even I fell into this trap here. Every time here, if I divide by negative number for an inequality, the sign switches. Sign swaps. So I made that mistake here. So this is actually, it's going to be less than or equal to 3. So this here is my correct solution. Yeah, this here is correct solution. So this here is correct here. So it's greater, it's less than or equal to 3. So this here, and they even did a number line, which is awesome. So I can say here, this is a great solution and analysis.